Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the fascinating history of badminton, a sport that started as a simple pastime and evolved into a global phenomenon. That starts in its origin. Badminton traces in its roots to the mid 1800s in British India, where British military officers modified the traditional English game of battledore, and shuttlecock by adding a net. This version of the game became popular in the garrison town of Pune, which is why it was originally called Pune. In 1873, the first formal rules from the game were written in Pune. Next, the name badminton. The name badminton came later inspired badminton. Badminton came later inspired by Badminton House in Gloucestershire, England, owned by the Duke of Beaufort. While it's unclear exactly why the name changed, it eventually stuck and became widely recognized. Developed in England. When British veterans returned from India in 1875, they brought the game with them and started clubs in England. Initially, the rules followed the Indian version. However, in 1887, H. J.H.E. Hart and later Bundle will reverse the rule to suit English player by 1893. The Badminton Association of England finalized the rules and officially launched the sport's competitive milestone. Badminton quickly gained the popularity in 1899. The first ever badminton tournament, the All England Open Badminton Championships, were held in 1934. The International Badminton Federation, or IBF, was formed with founding members including England, Denmark, and India. India joined soon after 1936. Modern badminton. Today, badminton is governed by Badminton World Federation or BWF. The sport has grown tremendously and it's played in over 160 countries. It's now staple in major events like the Olympic and World Championships. Lastly, conclusion. In conclusion, badminton journey from a simple garrison game to the international sport showcase its universal appeal and rich history. It is a true example of cultural exchange and evaluation, inspiring millions around the world. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope this give you a deeper appreciation from the history of badminton.